Australian mushrooms, they are so delicious. Usually we'd roast them or pan fry them, but did you know they're just as delicious eaten raw? Now when they're as fresh as these ones, they are so delicious and you really taste their lovely earthy flavour. Now these are button mushrooms, and when you're preparing them, you don't need to wash them at all. Simply use a brush to take off any of the dirt, but these ones are pretty much perfect. Now I like to use button mushrooms for this recipe because they are so small, which makes them really crunchy. So to start assembling this salad, some beautiful baby cos. I love the hearts of the cos, and we'll just arrange them into a shallow bowl like this one. To that, I'll add some Comte cheese, and I've just cut them into little cubes. Some ham. I've got some champagne ham here, and we're just going to finely slice that. And then we'll add those little layers in and around the salad. This is one of those salads that you can often get at a Parisian bistro. So delicious, so much flavour there with the ham, cheese and the mushrooms. That looks like plenty. To this, some hard-boiled egg, and I'll just cut the egg into quarters and we'll just arrange that around, make it look quite rustic. The more rustic, the more inviting I find it. To this, we'll add a dressing. So the dressing is a combination of grainy mustard, some white wine vinegar. We'll give that a whisk, along with some garlic, just a small amount of garlic. And we'll bring all of that together with some olive oil. So a drizzle of that. Excellent. Now before we drizzle that over, we can't forget about our little mushrooms, and I'm just going to slice the mushrooms so you really see the inside of them. And we'll scatter our mushrooms in and around all of those lovely ingredients. Finally, our dressing, we'll just drizzle that over the top, making sure it hits those mushrooms, because mushrooms are like sponges. As soon as you give it a dressing or a sauce like this, it just absorbs all those beautiful flavours. And that right there is a beautiful salad showing off Australian mushrooms in a bit of a Parisian way.